good evening students. Welcome to Sri Vidya Tutorials. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay. So in previous class what stoichiometry chapter completed. Okay, then today we are going to discuss about the chemical equilibrium chapter. Okay, chemical equilibrium. So in this, first of all we are going to discuss about what is chemical equilibrium. So see, chemical equilibrium. So in this session, I am going to explain what important topics for MSET point of view, not what NCRT. Okay, MSET point of view. Chemical equilibrium means what the state at which the rate of forward reaction will be equal to the rate of backward reaction. So a rate of forward reaction, backward reaction means fast. So we have what two types of reactions in our chemistry. So these are the basic concept actually. So for example, here to take A to B and so here A B. So what is the difference between these two? Generally here A to single arrow is there, and this indicates what conversion of A to B only. Okay. So such type of reactions are called irreversible reactions. Irreversible reaction. Okay. But in this what to here in this reaction two off-headed arrows are there between A and B. Means this indicates that first of all A converts into B and B again back to what converts into A. Such a type of reactions are called reversible reactions. Reversible reactions. Generally here see, in reversible reactions we can observe what chemical equilibrium. Reversible reactions we can observe chemical equilibrium. Okay. So generally types of chemical equilibriums are, means equilibrium can exist. Here so what forward reaction means the conversion of reactants. Here A is what in this reactant, B is what here product. Okay. The conversion of A into B means reactant into B is called what a forward reaction. Okay, reactant so converts into product. So that is called what a forward reaction. Forward reaction. Okay, again the conversion of product into reactant is called what here? So backward reaction. Backward reaction. Okay. So at equilibrium generally what here? The rate of forward reaction will be equal to the rate of backward reaction. At equilibrium means what? The state at which the rate of forward reaction is equal to what here? Rate of backward reaction. Rate of backward reaction is called what here? Equilibrium. Okay, this is called chemical equilibrium. Okay, so then we are going to discuss about what here types of chemical equilibrium. So okay so next types of equilibrium, chemical equilibriums. So they are what two types. First one is what homogeneous equilibrium, then heterogeneous equilibrium. So homogeneous equilibrium means what? The equilibrium in which reactants and products are present in same physical state. Okay, reactants and products are present in same physical state or same phase called homogeneous equilibrium. So for example, to take here 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen gas to form 2 moles of ammonia gas. So in this what all compounds are present in gaseous state only, same phase. Okay, such a type of equilibrium is called homogeneous equilibrium. Okay, then heterogeneous equilibrium. So heterogeneous equilibrium means what here? Opposite to homo. Homo means same, hetero means what? Different. So if what generally the reactants and products are the equilibrium in which reactants and products are present in different phases called what here? Heterogeneous equilibrium. Different phases means different physical states. Okay, for example here to take, so the dissociation of calcium carbonate. So by heating this calcium carbonate solid dissociates and gives what here? Calcium oxide solid and 1 mole of carbon dioxide gas. See here, in this equation, calcium carbonate present in solid state, calcium oxide present in solid state, but carbon dioxide present in gaseous state. Means what? They are present in different physical states, isn't it? So that is called heterogeneous equilibrium. Okay, Amma? So, small request, Ma. So, please watch the video completely. Okay. So, watch complete video. So, then only you will have some idea about the topic, Ma. Okay. Please watch complete video. So, then only you will get some idea about this topic. Okay. So, this is for MSET only. Okay. So, next see here, degree of dissociation. Actually, so some many theories or many theoretical points are there in chemical equilibrium, but for MSET point of view here, degree of dissociation given. Okay, important topic for MSET is what? Degree of dissociation. So we have to find out the degree of dissociation before we can discuss. Before going to that, actually what is degree of dissociation? To know that, here simply degree of dissociation, simply we can write DOD. D means degree, okay, O means of, D means dissociation. Generally DOD is equal what? Number of moles dissociated from number of moles taken, okay, means what? If we write the reaction like this, okay, so for this we have to calculate what? Degree of dissociation, okay. So actually what is degree of dissociation here? Number of moles dissociates from total number of moles taken. For example, here we are taking 1 mole of calcium carbonate. Okay. So and after some time, some moles are what here? Dissociated. Okay. Such number of moles is called degree of dissociation. And in percentage, if we calculate, percentage of dissociation is equal to DOD into 100. By using this formula, we can calculate what here? Percentage of dissociation. That is equal what here? DOD into 100. Okay. So then to discuss how to calculate the degree of dissociation and number of moles for a given chemical reaction or general equation, we can discuss by taking an example. Okay. Okay, but see the example here. By using this DOD, we can calculate what? Total number of moles at equilibrium. So this is the very important for calculation of Kp and Kc. Okay, before going to that, you have to know about what? So total, how to calculate total number of moles of, okay, so compounds means reactants and products at equilibrium. So how to see here? So in this problem, this is the given chemical reaction, 2A is equal, gives rise to 3B plus C. So DOD is equal what here given in a problem? X. Okay, dissociation, degree of dissociation X. So first of all, what? 3 moles of A is taking. Okay. So what here? Actually at initial state of the reaction, T is equal 0 means what? Indicates that initial stage of what? Reaction, chemical reaction. And what? At initial stage of chemical reaction, only reactants are present in the vessel. So that here, after some time here, reactants can convert into products. So at initial stage, only reactants are present. Okay. So in the problem, 3 moles of A given. Initial number of moles of A is given in the problem. How much? 3 moles in a problem given. Okay. So then at equilibrium, we have to calculate. Okay. At equilibrium, the number of moles we have to calculate. Okay. How? See here, generally degree of dissociation is X. So here degree of dissociation means what? The number of moles dissociated. Okay. So what? In the initial means number of moles taken. So according to that, so you have to remember small trick here. 1 mole of compound. Okay. So initial 1 mole of initial compound or initial 1 mole. So what? degree of dissociation is x moles. So here you have to understand, for 1 mole degree of dissociation is how much, x. Okay, this x is what here, DOD. But in the problem, how many moles are given, 3 moles. So that for 3 moles how much? So by cross multiplication to get what here, number of moles dissociated. Okay, so what is that here? Number of moles dissociated is equal, how much we get here, 3x. So this is dissociated. Here 3 moles is what, initial. So that to subtract this 3x from initial, isn't it? 3x moles dissociated. So that to subtract what here, 3x from the initial 3 moles. And next what here? So see here, for this what happens, 2 moles of A forms what, 3 moles of B, isn't it? 2 moles of A forms what, 3 moles of B. Okay, so for this how to calculate, see here. So actually according to equation to know that 2 moles of A forms 3 moles of B. Okay. So for next one, what to take here? How many moles are dissociating here? 3x moles. 3 for 3x moles of A, how much? Okay, again by cross multiplication to get what here? Number of moles of B. Okay, number of moles of B is equal, how much we get here? See, so here 3x into 3 by 2, isn't it? Means what, totally 9x by 2. 9x by 2. So here number of moles at equilibrium, number of moles of B at equilibrium, how much, 9x by 2. Okay. Next one more compound is there, isn't it? Product is there. What is that? C. How many moles are there? Only 1 mole. Means from this equation first of all to write here, 2 moles of A gives 1 mole of C, isn't it? 2 moles of A gives 1 mole of C. Then for 3x moles means what here? At equilibrium, isn't it? Of A how much? By cross multiplication to get, isn't it? Number of moles of, therefore number of moles of C is equal to how much we get here? 3x by 2. Okay, so these are number of moles at which equilibrium. Okay, so 3x by 2. Okay, so at equilibrium, the number of moles of A is how much here? 3 minus 3x moles. Okay, at which equilibrium state? And B is 9x by 2 moles. And C is what? 3x by 2 moles. So from this we can calculate what here? What is the question? To calculate total number of moles at the equilibrium. Just I am explaining for MCET only directly. Okay. So here equilibrium is equal what here? To add all these number of moles. Means reactants and products at equilibrium. 9x by 2 plus 3x by 2. Okay. 3 minus 3x plus. So how much here we get? Totally 3 minus 3x plus here to take 2. 9x 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2. So plus how much we get here? 3x, isn't it? Okay, so what we get here? 3 minus 3x plus 9 plus 3, 12x by 2. So 2 6. So how much here? 3 minus 3x plus 6x, isn't it? Here 2 6 are 12. So how much we get here? Minus 3x plus 3x is equal to how much, plus 3. So 3 plus 3x, isn't it? Plus 6 minus 3 how much? Plus 3. Okay. So here total number of moles. Therefore total number of moles at equilibrium is how much, ma? So 3 plus 3x moles. Actually this so these questions comes in MCET. So to calculate what total number of moles for a given reaction at equilibrium. Okay, by in this way to calculate what here total number of moles at equilibrium. Okay, then to discuss about one more example here. So next problem, see here. So given question is 2a plus 3b gives rise to, so 4c plus 5d. Okay, so see here, initially 3 moles of A, 2 moles of B are taken. If 30% of A dissociates, here percentage of dissociation given in this problem. DOD is not given directly. So what is given so degree, what the percentage of dissociation given, how much percentage, 30% given till equilibrium. Calculate total moles at equilibrium, total moles at equilibrium. So such type of questions are important for MSET point of view. Okay, so see here, first of all we have to calculate what DOD. Okay, so DOD, how to calculate, formula is DOD is equal to percentage of dissociation, percentage of dissociation by 100. Okay, so by using this formula to calculate what here, degree of dissociation. Okay, so then DOD is equal here percentage of dissociation given in a problem, how much, 30%. Okay, by 100, cancel, how much we get here, 0.3. so DOD is how much, 0.3. So see the problem. So initial means at t is equal to 0. So what here, 3 moles of A given in the problem, 2 moles of B given. Okay, but t is equal to 0, here the moles of what products you have to remember always what at. So t is equal to 0. The number of moles is equal how much more, 0, 0 moles. Okay, so at equilibrium here, at equilibrium, see how to calculate here. So 3 moles of this means what here, 1 mole. So you have to always remember one thing. So 1 here, degree of dissociation for 1 mole. Okay, at 0.3, so you have to understand. So for 1 mole, so degree of dissociation for 1 mole how much, 0.3. But in the problem given how much, 3 moles. How much? So here for A means moles, number of moles of what, A is equal how much here, 0.3 into 3 is equal how much, 0.9. Okay, so 0.9 moles dissociated. So that for initial moles how much, 3. So to subtract these moles at equilibrium from the what, initial. Okay, so next one for B to take here. So for 1 mole, you are also same. For 1 mole of B, 0.3. Okay, moles. But here initially how much given, 2 moles given. How much here is equal to cross multiplication to get 0.3 into 2 is equal to 0.6. Okay, so at equilibrium the number of moles of what B should be how much here, 2 minus 0.6. Okay, initial number of moles how much here, 2. Okay, so then 0.6 moles dissociated. Okay, degree of dissociation. So that at equilibrium the number of moles of B is equal how much, 2 minus 0.6. Okay, then for this here how to calculate here number of moles of C. So related to A. Okay, for example take, means here from this equation to know that here so here 2 moles of A. So you have to understand carefully. 2 moles of A gives how many moles of C here? 4 moles of C, isn't it? From this equation to know that, from balanced equation to know that 2 moles of A gives 4 moles of C. Okay, so we have to calculate what at equilibrium, the number of moles of C. How? Actually at equilibrium what here? 0.9 moles, isn't it? How much? 0.9 moles of A is how much? So by cross multiplication to get here. Therefore what here? Number of moles of C, isn't it, at equilibrium. The 0.9 moles dissociated, so that to take this only, okay, is equal how much here? 4 into 0.9 by cross multiplication by 2. So 2 2s are 6. How much here? 1.8, isn't it? 9 2s are 1.8. So the number of moles of C at the equilibrium, how much here? 1.8, known from this. Okay. Next, then you have to calculate. One more product is there. What is that? D. So same, from this only we can calculate. How here? From this equation to know that 2 moles of A gives again what? 5 moles of D. 5 moles of D. Okay. So then how much here? 0.9 moles. So for 0.9 moles of A, so gives how much? Okay. So by cross multiplication to get what here? Therefore number of moles of D is equal to, by cross multiplication here, see, 5 into 0.9 by 2, isn't it? So how much we get here? 4.5 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Point. So 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are. Isn't it? How much we get here? 45. 9 5s are 45. 4.5 by 2. So to get 2.25. 2.25 at equilibrium. So these are the number of moles of different reactants and the products at equilibrium. So here 3 minus 0.9, 2 minus 0.6, how much here? So 3.0, 0.9. How much we get here? 1, 2.1, isn't it? Here 2.1 moles. Next to 2 minus 0.6 means here 2.0, 0.6, 4, 1.4. Okay. So 1.4. Here 1.8. So 2.25. Okay. So total number of moles at equilibrium. Total number of moles at equilibrium is equal to, add all these to get total number of moles. What? 2.1 plus 1.4 plus 1.8 plus 2.25. So see how much we get here finally. So 2.25, then what? 1.80, then 1.40, then 2.10. So how much we get? 5. Okay. Here 13, 15, I think, isn't it? Okay. So 15, 1 here, 4, 6, 7. 7.55. How much were? You will get how much? 7.55. Okay, see total number of moles we can calculate once again. 2 point here to take 2.25, 2.25, okay, then 1.80, then here to take 0.65, okay, 2 point here, calculation 1 point, so here 0.65, 2 minus 1.35, so then 2.10, how much we get here? 10, okay, then so 10, 16, 17, 18, okay, then 3, 6, 6.8. So total number of moles, how much by here? To get 6.8, 6.8 moles. Okay, this is the total number of moles. Okay, ma. So such type of model questions are very important for what? So MSET exams. Okay. So in the next class, next video, so we are going to discuss about the what equilibrium constant with respect to concentration and with respect to pressure, Kp and Kc. So actually for MSET, actually TS MSET from chemical equilibrium, so calculation of total number of moles, next calculation of Kp and Kc are very important for MSET exam. Okay. In the next video, so to discuss about the what how to calculate Kp and Kc. Okay. Please watch the total video. So then only you have to any idea about this topic. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe the to the Sri Vidya tutorials. Okay, ma.